Do you need help on writing blog conclusion? Wrap up your blog post with an on-point conclusion with the help of an AI-assisted conclusion generator. Blog Post Conclusion Paragraph Generator sums up all your blog's main points concisely and accurately. I am here to assist you in using WriteMe.ai. Well, today I am going to share how you can use WriteMe.ai to write conclusion paragraph for your article in few easy steps. As you know, first you have to select your desired language, your tone of voice, and your preferred use case. Then, input some relevant information such as keywords, phrases, main context, titles, characters, and goal of blog post conclusion. Finally, simply click Write Me. That's it. Wrap up your blog on a precise note with accurate blog post conclusion. Use a conclusion sentence generator to engage your audience at the end of a blog post. Summarize your blog posts and offer your readers a final overview of your blogs with unique blog post conclusions. I hope that we are providing you with the complete details on how to use WriteMe.ai Creator to generate meaningful content for you. If not, please tell us in the comments section. Thanks.